Hello guys, what's up? Are you looking for best Ultimea soundbar? Here we found Ultimea Poseidon M20 soundbar. Main features are Ultimea Poseidon M20 soundbar is a compact 2.1 channel audio system designed primarily for small spaces like bedrooms, dorms, or PC gaming setup. It emphasizes all-in-one simplicity by integrating a subwoofer directly into the bar, making it a clutter-free alternative to standard TV or laptop speakers. Audio power delivers a peak power of 120 watt. The Poseidon M20 Pro variant reaches 132 watt. Built-in subwoofer features an integrated 3-inch subwoofer and dual mid-high drivers using bass MX technology to enhance low frequencies without needing a separate floor box. Smart App Out Control compatible with the Ultimea app, which allows for OTA firmware updates and advanced tuning. EQ customizations include 221 preset EQ matrices and a 10-band equalizers for precise sound adjustment across models like movie, music, game, and night. Vertical clarity uses voice MX technology to dynamically optimize speech to frequencies for clear dialogue.